Let's take a look at another feature of the Loom project, which is the structured concurrency. And let's take this very simple example. Let's say that we want to fetch a user, we want to fetch a user data, and here we're printing whatever we fetch. In our fetch user data, what we do is we are creating a scope, and we are creating a structured task scope. And in our scope, we are dividing our task to two parts. Let's say that we are fetching them from the different databases or from the different HTTP endpoints. So we get the user and we get the email separately, right? After that, what we do is, if the both tasks are complete, then we are joining. If not, then in that case, we are throwing an exception. And at the end, we are combining and returning the result. But what happens in the background, right? So what happens is under the hood, so we have a parent scope, a structured task scope, which divides our tasks that we are creating here, right? Which divides them into different virtual threads. So we are running them in different virtual threads, in each one in the separate thread, and we are waiting for them to complete. Parent, in this case, the parent scope is waiting until all tasks finish or one task fails. So let's say that in this case, let's run it. In our case, both of them complete successfully, so we are combining the result, John Doe, and we are returning the result, right? But what happens if in one of these cases we get the exception, right? We get some error. In that case, in our case the whole result will fail, because we are either succeeding, so it's either waits until all of the tasks complete, or it waits until one of the tasks fail and returns the result.